Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone on Facebook. Simply just launch your Facebook application on your mobile device and move in the right bottom corner option is the menu. Then scroll down and just find settings and privacy. Simply just tap on it and again just tap on settings. So if you just scroll down and just find the preferences, and here you will be just find content preferences. Just tap on it, and here is the third option is unfollow. So simply just tap on it. So here the all are peoples and the pages where you have been follow, and if you have been unfollow, simply just tap on it of unfollow the person or the page, or you will be just search it for the by name, or you will just tap on it the right three lines, and you will be just selected the group pages or whatever you want. So in this way you will just have to unfollow everyone on Facebook. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.